Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making one of African popular street snacks. I'll be making peppered puff puff. So if you like spicy puff puff, stay tuned and find out how I make this. To make this puff puff, I will start by adding warm water into a bowl. I would like to dissolve my yeast into the water. I will stir and set aside. The yeast is activating. I'll be chopping the scotch bonnet into smaller pieces. When I'm done chopping the scotch bonnet, I will set aside. A sieve, I will sieve the flour into a dry bowl. When I'm done sieving, I'll add sugar, add salt, a grater. I'll be grating the fresh nutmeg. You can also use powdered nutmeg. Add the yeast mixture. Stir and add water bit by bit. Continue stirring so that everything will mix together, and also it will look a bit thicker than a regular butter for pancake. I'll add the chopped scotch bonnet. Just give it a little mix and set aside. Cover and keep in one place. It will rise and double in size. After about 30 minutes or more, you can notice that it has doubled in size. At this stage, make sure you have preheated your oil. When the oil is preheated, you can test it by adding a little butter into the oil. I'll be using ice cream scoop to scoop the butter into the oil. You can use your hand or spoon. Please space the puff puff to avoid sticking together. While the puff puff is frying, if you notice that the oil is too hot, reduce the heat. Turn the puff puff to fry the both sides. It usually takes like 3 to 4 minutes for the puff puff to be ready. Puff puff have turned golden brown. Remove from the oil. You have seen how easy it is to make this delicious, soft and peppered puff puff. Please feel free to share with me how you like to enjoy your puff puff. And thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.